guys, so today I kind of got a head start this morning and started without you guys, and I apologize. Just give you a rundown of what I did this morning. We didn't clean up our watermelon patch. It was much needed. And I still gotta take all this stuff out and scrap. The watermelon seems to be coming in pretty good. We cleaned up the pumpkin patch, which I thought they were squash at first because they're not running. But, well, this one that had a pumpkin on it. Anyways. Oh, check this out. Our berries. Berries are coming in. Look at that. Raspberries. It's pretty exciting to have something like that. It's fruiting already. This means I've done something right. So today we're just going to be jumping around and doing some maintenance around the homestead. With that being said, I've already started on some of it. I'll show you what we'll be doing. The compost walk area, all this weeded out as much as I could. And we're going to dump some wood chips down and clear all that up. You come around the pathway here and goes up to our rabbits. All this cut down really short, and I'll probably wood chip this too with some straw. Wood chips and straw, or hay, whatever I can use. Clean up our compost bins, get the weeds out of those, get them ready for some chicken and pig manure. And then we're going to come over here and clear out this jungle. All this. Can't even see my shed or my trailer. And I got to build a lean-to here for the tractor and whatnot. So we'll clear all this out today too. Like I said, today's just kind of a maintenance ordeal or maintenance homestead cleanup day. That's what it is. That's what we're going to be doing. Getting everything ready for fall. We're coming to the end of the growing season. It is August 10th right now, so it's time to get ready for fall. Alright, so basically we got that done. Probably 3 buckets of mulch, wood chips. I'm not going to put it on that thick because we're at the end of the growing season. So this should get us through the winter and help fill everything out. That's my goal. Alright, now I've got to go get some old bales of hay and straw, and we're going to fill in this area. It was for the animals to eat, but it's been out in the weather, so we're going to use it for landscaping. So let me go put you guys over here. I'll go grab those and then I'll bring you back once I have those. Okay, got it all done. Got it heavy in some spots. It's supposed to rain today, so it'll help pack it down. But it's a nice thick layer here. And this is the same purpose as mulch. Getting it late in the season, it'll keep it, will help help it die out for this winter and fall. So, yep. I might go add some more up front there when I was walking through. So yeah, we got that area done pretty quick. So now, I guess we can go work in the jungle. Can't get my words out today. So this took about 1.5 bales, and then 3 buckets of wood chips. We gotta do the compost too. That'll be easy. We'll do that in a minute. Let's go tackle that forest. Get that cleared out because we have to start building a lean-to. We got a lot of buildings to put up this year, but this here has to get done. No, there's a bunch of lumber in here somewhere. Okay, so we got the boards out. Now I gotta get these tall weeds, and there is a scrap pile of metal in the middle. I think it's on a pallet, but we gotta get that out first, I guess. I guess I'm gonna have to get the tractor around and try to scoop it up with the bucket. Alright guys, we got this area pretty cleared out, basically. It was tough. We hit a couple bricks, a couple glass bottles. But yeah, and then we're going to move all this. Now I'm going to get the trailer out and clear that area. So I'm hoping I can find the front of it. In here somewhere, right there. So I'm just going to hook the bucket on those chains and we're going to pull it out. Hopefully, that's the plan. Okay, the tow rope, I'll be back. Got the trailer moved. Basically all I gotta do is move this metal here. I'm not using that on the lean-to. That's for a different project, but gotta move it out of the way. So we're doing that right now. I'm sorry guys, didn't even record that. I just pulled out all that metal. How's it going, guys? Today is Friday, and we are going to end this segment from when we shot 2 days ago. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This is going to be more like a series of getting the homestead prepped and ready for fall season. There's a lot of projects to get done. We got buildings to do, 2 more greenhouses, well, at least 1 more greenhouse, maybe a second. Garden plots to be put out for next season. Add more garden plots. Yeah, so I hope you guys stick around and enjoy, and we'll see you guys Monday.